Welcome to our presentation on customer service, led by George Richards. Today, we will explore the essential elements and strategies for delivering exceptional customer service. Let's dive into the key components that make customer interactions successful and rewarding. Our learning objectives are threefold. First, to emphasize the importance of excellent customer service. Second, to equip professionals with effective techniques and skills. Lastly, to manage and handle customer interactions and relationships effectively. These goals will guide our discussion today. The elements of customer service include personalized service, rewarding loyalty, and prioritizing customer needs. We also focus on clarifying customer goals, prioritizing quality, and engaging customers with genuine interest. These elements are crucial for building strong customer relationships. Delivering quality customer service involves understanding how customers interact with your business before, during, and after a purchase. It's about enhancing customer satisfaction and meeting expectations through knowledge, attitude, and skills. A holistic approach is essential for a quality experience. Putting customer needs first means committing to finding solutions, even when challenges arise. This strategy involves going above and beyond to create workarounds and relaying feedback to management for long-term solutions. It's about ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. Personalized service sets successful brands apart. By customizing every stage of the buyer's journey using first names and suggesting tailored products, businesses can build strong connections. Personal messages after purchases further enhance the customer experience. Rewarding loyalty is key to customer retention. Happy customers are more likely to continue buying. Customized rewards, such as point systems and special offers, make customers feel appreciated and valued, fostering long-term relationships. Clarifying customer goals and disappointments is crucial. Before addressing a case, understand the customer's objectives and roadblocks. This clarity ensures a collaborative understanding and effective problem-solving, enhancing the customer experience. Prioritizing quality over quantity is essential, especially during busy periods. Focus on thoroughly resolving each issue rather than rushing through cases. This approach ensures customer delight and long-term satisfaction, even during high-demand times. Engaging customers with genuine interest and enthusiasm is vital. Customers can sense insincerity. Approach each interaction with a positive attitude, actively listen, ask clarifying questions, and show empathy to build trust and satisfaction. Creating accessible, omnichannel support options is crucial. Customers expect to reach your company through various channels like email, phone, and social media. Ensure consistent experiences across all platforms to provide excellent customer service. Finding solutions collaboratively involves working with customers to address their issues. Ask questions, provide guidance, and troubleshoot together. This partnership approach ensures effective problem-solving and enhances customer satisfaction. Asking for feedback and learning from customers is essential for improvement. Feedback helps identify areas for enhancement and informs process changes. Listening to customers' needs and preferences leads to better service in the future. Solving for long-term solutions rather than short-term conveniences is key. Collaborate with customers to find the best solutions, asking questions and providing guidance. This approach ensures sustainable satisfaction and loyalty. Effective techniques and skills in customer service include empathy, active listening, and problem-solving. Communication, patience, and product knowledge are also vital. A positive attitude and time management ensure prompt and effective responses. As a customer service agent, you may encounter various customer types. Prospective customers are interested but undecided. Window shoppers browse without intent to buy. Understanding these types helps tailor your approach and improve service. Continuing with customer types, impulsive customers make quick decisions, while angry customers need issue resolution. Loyal customers are advocates, and brand advocates promote your product. International customers require cultural sensitivity. Dealing with individual customers requires tailored strategies. Provide information to prospective customers, ensure positive experiences for window shoppers, and offer relevant promotions to promotion-driven customers. Address churned customers' concerns to win them back. For impulse customers, ensure satisfaction with their purchase. Listen to angry customers and address their issues. Reward loyal customers and brand advocates for their support. Be culturally aware when serving international customers. For further reading and resources, refer to the provided links. These references offer additional insights into customer service best practices and strategies. Thank you for your attention, and we hope this presentation has been informative.